Nilu27 Hypercar is one of the newest track-focused machines created for pure driving performance. This car represents a different idea in the modern hypercar world where many vehicles depend heavily on hybrid systems and complex electronics. The goal of this project is simple: build a car that delivers raw power, precision engineering, and an intense driving experience on the racing track. The project behind the Nilu27 Hypercar comes from a strong passion for mechanical engineering and motorsport design. Instead of following popular industry trends, the creators focused on building a machine that celebrates traditional performance. This means a powerful engine, lightweight construction, and a design that is shaped by function rather than luxury. At first look, the car immediately stands out. The body is extremely low, wide, and aggressive. Every surface looks sharp and purposeful. Large air openings dominate the front section to guide air toward the cooling systems and aerodynamic channels. The side profile shows a strong racing character with deep air passages and a stretched stance that helps stability at high speed. The rear section of the car looks even more dramatic. Large aerodynamic structures and an exposed mechanical layout show that the car was designed mainly for track performance. Nothing on the body appears unnecessary. Each panel, vent, and opening has a clear job that helps airflow, cooling, or DOW, NFORCE. Another important part of the Nilu27 concept is weight control. Hypercars designed for the track must stay as light as possible. Engineers achieve this by using advanced materials and a structure that removes anything not required for performance. The result is a machine that feels closer to a race car than a typical road vehicle. Performance comes first, and everything else follows that rule. Instead of focusing on comfort features or luxury elements, the design concentrates on speed, airflow management, and driver connection with the machine. This approach makes the Nilu27 Hypercar feel special in a market where many vehicles try to mix luxury with performance. Here the focus stays on the track, the engine, and the pure excitement of driving. It is built to remind drivers what a true mechanical hypercar feels like. Now the design of the Nilu27 Hypercar is strongly connected to aerodynamics and track performance. Every line on the body exists to control air movement and improve stability at high speed. Unlike many road cars that focus mainly on appearance, this car uses its shape as a performance tool. Engineers carefully designed each surface so the air moves smoothly around the vehicle while also creating strong downforce that pushes the car toward the ground during fast cornering. The front section of the car plays a very important role in airflow control. The nose sits extremely low to the ground, allowing air to pass over the body while another portion moves under the chassis. Large air openings at the front allow cooling air to reach the radiators and braking system. These openings are not only large but also shaped to guide air in a controlled direction. This helps the car stay stable when traveling at very high speeds on a racing circuit. Moving toward the sides of the car, the body becomes wider and more dramatic. Deep side channels allow air to travel smoothly from the front toward the rear of the vehicle. These channels also help cool the engine and other mechanical components placed in the middle section of the car. The wide stance improves balance and grip, which are both very important for track driving, where the car must remain stable during hard acceleration and sudden braking. The roofline stays very low and flows smoothly toward the rear. This smooth shape reduces air resistance and allows airflow to remain attached to the body for a longer distance. When airflow remains stable across the surface of the car, it reduces drag and improves efficiency at high speed. This is one of the main goals when designing a track-focused HYPERCAR. At the rear section, the aerodynamic design becomes even more serious. Large vents and air exits allow hot air to leave the engine area while also helping manage pressure behind the vehicle. A large rear wing produces additional downforce that increases grip for the rear tires. This extra grip helps the driver maintain control during high-speed corners and aggressive track driving. The inside of the car is designed with a very clear focus. The main priority is the driver. Everything inside the cockpit exists to support control, visibility, and connection with the car while driving on the track. When you look inside the cabin, the first thing you notice is the simple and focused layout. There are no unnecessary luxury elements or heavy comfort features that would increase weight. Instead, the cockpit feels closer to a race car environment. The driver's seat sits very low in the chassis, which helps lower the center of gravity and improves the feeling of stability. During high-speed driving, the steering wheel is designed to give the driver full control over the important functions of the car. Essential information, such as engine speed, gear, position, and other performance data, are placed directly in front of the driver so they can be seen quickly without distraction. This layout helps the driver stay focused on the racing line and the track ahead. Materials inside. The car also followed the same philosophy used throughout the rest of the vehicle. Lightweight components are used wherever possible. Strong materials like carbon fiber help keep the structure rigid while reducing overall mass. This approach improves the car's response and supports the goal of delivering a pure driving machine. Another important idea behind this hypercar is exclusivity. Cars like this are usually produced in very small numbers. Because of this, they often become special machines for collectors, racing enthusiasts, and people who appreciate mechanical engineering. The limited production also shows that the project focuses on quality and performance rather than mass production. The Nilu27 Hypercar represents a different direction in the hypercar world. While many modern vehicles move toward complex hybrid systems and heavy technology, this machine reminds people of the importance of raw mechanical performance. The entire body structure also focuses on lightweight construction. Carbon fiber panels and a strong but light chassis reduce overall mass. Lower weight improves acceleration, braking performance, and handling response. Because of this careful balance between aerodynamics and weight reduction, the Nilu27 Hypercar becomes a machine that is shaped by pure performance rather than decoration. The performance of the Nilu27 Hypercar is built around a clear idea: deliver strong power and precise control for serious track driving. Instead of focusing on comfort or luxury systems, the engineering effort concentrates on the engine, the drivetrain, and the way the car responds to the driver. Every mechanical component works together to create a machine that performs well under extreme conditions. At the center of the car is a high-performance engine designed to produce very strong power without unnecessary complexity. The engine layout supports high engine speed and strong acceleration, which are both important for track performance. A naturally aspirated configuration allows the driver to feel direct engine response when pressing the throttle. This means power delivery is immediate and predictable, which helps the driver control the car more accurately when exiting corners or accelerating on long straight sections of a racing circuit. The sound and character of the engine are also important parts of the driving experience. When the engine reaches higher revolutions, the sound becomes sharper and more intense. For many driving enthusiasts, this direct mechanical sound is an important part of what makes a track-focused hypercar exciting. It creates a strong connection between the driver and the machine. Power from the engine moves through a performance-focused transmission system that allows fast gear changes. Quick shifting helps the car maintain momentum during acceleration and keeps the engine operating in its most effective power range. This is very important on a racing track where even small time differences can affect lap performance. The suspension system is also designed with track driving in mind. A carefully tuned suspension allows the tires to maintain strong contact with the road surface while the car moves through corners at high speed. Good suspension control improves stability during braking, acceleration, and direction changes. This level of control helps the driver push the car closer to its limits without losing confidence. Another important element of performance is braking capability. High-performance braking systems allow the car to slow down quickly and safely after reaching very high speeds. Strong brakes combined with lightweight construction improve overall control and reduce stopping distance. This is essential for any machine that is built for serious track use, because the car focuses heavily on mechanical performance and weight reduction. The overall driving feeling becomes very direct. The driver receives clear feedback from the steering, the suspension, and the engine response. This type of communication between car and driver is one of the key elements that define a true track-focused hypercar. The final area to explore in the Nilu27 Hypercar is the interior and the overall philosophy behind this machine. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible hypercar, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.